What's up, YouTube? Gym Monster. You gotta excuse the way the camera angle is. I just left the office right now. I feel cracked out. I done took all my pre-workouts and stuff, so I'm about to head on to the gym right now. Knock out some of this chest work. Well, knock out this chest workout real fast. Ain't gonna take me too long. I'm real amped up, man. I took something called Motivate, some samples that I had got called Motivate. I guess you're supposed to take 2 pills, but I mean, I took 4. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna take the 4. I took 4 of those. I took this stuff by ProLab, which I'm gonna do a review on, man, because I'm actually shocked by it. I was in a vitamin shop one day, and they had it on sale. Well, not on sale, it was like a 10 serving sample for $9. It's called Quick Fire from ProLab. For some apparent reason, man, I don't know, man, I like that. I like it. I've been taking it now for a couple days, and I will say that I ain't saying that you get some kind of great pump from it, but you do, like my vascularity or whatever you call it. I do see a lot of my veins pop out even more, even though I'm a real veiny dude anyway, but pops out a little bit more. But it works, man. I like it, so I'll do a review on that later on. But anyway, I just wanted to check in with y'all, give y'all a quick update about me. I'm currently sitting at 161 right now. I had cut all the way down. Like if you look at the video, my back workout video, that picture of me in that video was about maybe a month and a half ago. I was at 149 pounds. I went from 163 down to 149, trimmed it up, you know, tried to put some abs in it, trimmed it up a little bit, but to be honest with you, man, I'm 30 years old, man. I can't weigh 149 pounds, you know what I mean? Not at 30 years old. I can't let some little teenager, little punk think that he can get me, you know what I mean? See me walking around and be like, yeah, man, he a little dude. Nah, man, I'm 30 years old. I can't be a little dude. So what I'm in the process of doing right now is bulking back up. Right now, this morning I weighed in with, you know, my workout clothes on. I hit 161 today. Obviously I'm in the military, the Marine Corps, so I can't weigh past 165 pounds anyway. That's my weight limit. So I gotta stay between 160 and 165 anyway. So with that being said, my goal is to try to hover somewhere around that. And right now I'm sitting at 161, trying to bulk it back up. I'm doing pretty good. Lost a little bit of my ab definition just because I done bulked up a little bit. Well, not, I wouldn't say bulked up, but put on a few more pounds. But with that being said, how many minutes I've been going? Because I try not to make these videos real long, man. Not too long. But I just want to give you boys a quick update about what's going on with me. Just to throw something out there, let you know that I'm still here doing my thing. Last but not least, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe on all my videos, man. I just do this because I think it's fun. I'm not trying to be some health guru like my friends tell me, you know. I mean, I do like to eat healthy and I like to work out, but I'm not trying to be some, you know, health guru and some kind of fitness expert, but I do like to work out and I like making these videos because it's fun. I do it because it's fun, and I know that, hell, if I'm going to the gym and I'm finna go ahead and push a lot of weight and I'm finna be motivated when doing it, then why come I can't share my experiences with somebody else? That's really the reason why I do it. So make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at GymMonster81. I'll make sure, I mean, I'm thinking about doing a fan page, but nah, I ain't too big. I'm not like Campbell Fitness and Barthel and Berg and all them boys. I'm not like that. So, you know, I'm not all out there. So I'm not finna go all that far. But, you know, anyway, let me get up out of here. I see you boys on the flip side. I'm about to go ahead and do this chest, but actually I got to pick up my clothes from the cleaners, which is where I'm at right now. But I see you boys on the flip side, man. Today I should try to throw a video up on a review on what you call that, 6-Star Whey Protein. Like I said, I still take my Myofusion and my Optimum Nutrition, but I wanted to try something different for a change. So you saw the Body Fortress one. If you didn't, go check it out. I'm gonna try to do this 6-Star one. It's in the trunk of the car too, matter of fact. I couldn't even finish it, but that's another video. But anyway, I'm out, man. Let me quit running my mouth. I see y'all boys on the flip side. Peace out.